Here's question number 4. Calculate the delta H of reaction for this reaction using the given bond energies. And the reaction is CH4 plus 2H2O forms 4H2 plus CO2. Excellent. So, calculate delta H of reaction. When you do this, delta H of reaction is basically the H of the products, of the reactants minus the H of the products. And you get these values by adding up all the bond energies on the reactant side and then subtracting all the bond energies on the product side. If you want a more detailed explanation of that, please see the video for question 2. I explained it in the concepts behind this in greater detail. But for now, we want to figure out the delta H of reaction. So what it helps me to do for questions like this is to draw out all the chemical species that take part in the reaction. So the first one is CH4, and that essentially looks like this. Okay? Next we have 2 waters. So HOH, HOH. Okay. Next we have 4 hydrogens. Hydrogen, 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 and hydrogen. And then lastly we have carbon dioxide. So remember, this is made of a carbon with 2 double bonded O's on either side of it. Okay? So our delta H of reaction is going to be all the bonds on the reactant side first. So you see we have 4 CH, there you go. So if we have 4 CH bonds, we look on the table, the value for a CH bond is 414. Okay? Then next we have not 2, but 4 OH bonds. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we do plus 4 times the value for OH, which is 464. Right? So that's all the reactants. Now we're going to subtract the product bonds. So our next chemical species was hydrogen, and as you can see there are 4 H to H bonds, 1, 2, 3, 4 in the product. So we're going to look up the value for that. It's 436. So we subtract 4 times 436. Okay? And lastly, we're going to subtract 2 carbon-oxygen double bonds. 1, 2. So subtract 2 times 799. And when you add and subtract this all up, you should get 170. So that's answer choice 2.